Hello wine lovers, I was recently blind tasting a lot of Cava. I'm going through some of the wines again, always interesting coming back to them, and this is Marqués de la Concordia, Gran Reserva 2012. I really think this belongs to an interesting new generation of top class Cava. This is the Gran Reserva from 2012 and it's a Brut nature. So low sugar here, blend of the classic varieties plus Chardonnay, so Chardonnay, Xarello, Macabea, Pareada. And it's showing a very intense, very pure nose. There's that crushed almond here, nuts. There's a slight herbal spiciness with wild herbs, green apple, citrus, fresh butter. So starting to display some of the autolytic complexity. Classically bone dry on the palate. There's really a good bite with a salivating freshness here. It starts out quite discreet on the palate, but then you get more fruit on the finish with really nice zest, mild and smooth creaminess with good length and yeah, long-lasting finish.